Hey everybody, and welcome to Randy Marion Chevrolet. Today we're going to take a look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with a Black Ops package from Tuscany. This is an awesome truck inside and out. We go ahead and start up front now. You'll notice this massive 40-inch LED bar. You can also see this steel front bumper. We have Black Ops written in the mesh as well, and then a nice bull bar up top. We have red steel tow hooks up front as well for that added touch. And then looking at the grille, we have a body colored grille with body colored Chevy bow tie, as well as a powder coated mesh piece behind that. We have a two-tone Tuscany hood finished off in body colored and satin black. The raised portion also has more of that mesh to give it that aggressive design. We have Black Ops on the side with some mesh, and then mesh on the backside of these fender flares. This truck is sitting on a BDS 6-inch suspension lift kit. It has a great stance to it. You can see all the suspension components down there, as well as powder-coated red control arms. And then we have a set of satin black 20-inch wheels. You can see the red brake caliper covers behind that, and the truck's sitting on a 35-inch mud terrain tire. Moving our way to the side profile, you can see this really cool trim piece on the lower portion of the doors, and we have your Black Ops badge up front. And being such a tall truck, if you grab any of the door handles and open a door, the side steps automatically deploy, which is a really great feature. And then of course when you close the door, they're going to automatically retract. And then one thing super cool about them, the way they're designed, they can also function as a rock rail, which is really nice. We can see the same fender flares with wheel and tire combo in the back. And then moving to the rear end of this Silverado, we have a body colored rear bumper with a side step, and then powder coated exhaust tips for this dual exhaust. Let's take a quick listen to the V8 engine. And then finishing up with the rear end, we have Black Ops written on the lower portion of the bumper, Chevrolet stamped into the tailgate, and we have a lockable hard bed cover. We can easily unlock this and open it up. It is utilizing gas struts to make it a little bit easier to open and close. And then by just pressing this button right here, the tailgate will automatically open. This truck has a full spray and bed liner to make it very durable, and we have LED lights up top to light up the bed when it is nighttime. And this tailgate weighs practically nothing. With just one hand, can easily lift it up and close it, and then just grabbing this strap, we can pull the bed cover down and lock it in place. So now inside this Black Ops Silverado, we have a really nice interior finished off with black leather. You'll see it on the steering wheel as well as the armrest. I love these seats. We have the smooth black leather as well as micro suede and contrast stitching. And then we get Black Ops embossed into these backrests. They have a really sporty design. I also really like how you see the carbon fiber look to a lot of the interior. And then we have some nice technology like the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay on the touchscreen head unit. We do have a sunroof up top. And then these gauge clusters look super cool. They're finished off with aluminum covers, and they have a really nice design that looks sort of like targets, really adding to the theme of this truck. We also get a Black Ops 2021 edition emblem on this door jamb, which is really cool to see. These seats are heated, as well as having a heated steering wheel, and the button for the LED bar is right on the dash. The door panel, you can see part of the Bose audio system. And then this truck is a full crew cab, so we have the full-size 4 doors. These doors open up nice and wide, so you have a lot of access for the rear seating. We have the same upholstery with the smooth leather and micro suede. And then opening up this little door panel right here, we have extra storage space in these backrests. And then one thing really nice, you can lift up the front of the seats, and you have a lot more storage space now in the back seats of the Silverado. We do have climate control vents as well as USBs and storage pockets behind the front seats. And then I really love the touch with the American flags on the backs of the headrests. So we are now setting off in the 2021 Silverado with the Black Ops package. First and foremost, that V8 has a really nice rumble with this upgraded exhaust system. But this is a really cool package for the truck. I think it gives it a lot of aggression. I love that front end design and just the overall blend of everything with this vehicle. And right now we are driving on a pretty rough road, and yet this truck feels like a stock vehicle. I like how the BDS suspension is such a high quality lift kit that it still retains that factory ride quality while giving you a 6-inch lift. So I just like the blend of that. You're not compromising anything or sacrificing anything just to get the awesome lift. Coming up to a stop now, we'll feel out how well this V8 can get us up to speed with these oversized tires. Just getting up to speed, giving a little bit of gas, effortlessly gets right up to speed now. And then now that we're cruising in this truck, getting my bearings with the comfort side of things, while it has mud terrain tires, you don't really hear them too much. It's not too bad at all, pretty quiet, which is really nice to have. And then one thing awesome with these vehicles, this comes with a speedometer that's already calibrated for the oversized tires, and the truck is backed by a 3-year warranty, so you're able to get a modified truck like this, and yet it is completely covered by Tuscany, and of course it's backed by Chevrolet. So I like how you can get a brand new truck, fully modified, crazy everything, and yet you're covered, which is a really cool feature for this truck. And then just cruising in this truck right now, I love how high up you are. You're really on top of the road. You can see over every other vehicle. And then as far as comfort in it, the seats are really nice and comfortable. Armrests are in a really good place, and everything that you touch and feel in this vehicle feels really nice and high quality. I love the leather to it. So the Chevrolet Silverado as a base vehicle for the Tuscany package is definitely a great platform. And then final thoughts with this truck, it drives really nice and smooth. You can definitely tell that everything is put together really nicely. As we take some sharp turns, you can feel how confident the handling is. It's just solid, which I love that about a lifted truck. Definitely can't go wrong with a sweet truck like this. So there's a good look at one of our 2021 Chevrolet Silverados equipped with a Black Ops package from Tuscany. This is an awesome truck inside and out, extremely aggressive, and I love the overall design. If you guys have any questions on this truck or would like to schedule a test drive and take it out on the road for yourself, check out all of our contact information down in the description below.